Hey everyone, how's it going? So when it comes to Halloween, I always like showing you guys how to draw a variety of different things. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Zubat from Pokemon. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Zubat, we're going to begin with the mouth. So I'm going to start right over here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to curve up, and it's going to come down. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come down. Make a little triangle shape here, and a little triangle shape here for the teeth. And we'll make a little triangle shape here, and one here. Then we'll make a little sad face right here in the tongue, for the tongue. Starting on each side of the mouth, we're going to add a little curved line. And right above the top of the mouth, we're going to make a little line. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and then it's going to come down for the ear. And another one here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out. It's going to come to a point and then down for the ear. Next, we'll add a little line in here, and you can see I left space in between the sides. And right here, we're going to add a little line that goes up and then down. It's the same shape as the outside of the ear, so a little line just goes up and then it's going to come down. Then I'll add a little curved line inside each one. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to curve in, and another one is going to go down and then it's going to curve in. For the legs, we'll draw a long, skinny line that's going to go down and then up. And another one here, long, skinny line that's just going to go down and then up, with a little curved line in between it. Our next step is to make the wings. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up here. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to make a little line that's going to curve up on each side. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down on each side. So we'll just make a nice long line that's going to come down. Make this side a little longer. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come up, and we'll do this on each side. We'll just make this line come all the way up towards the top. Then we'll draw a line that comes down. And we'll make another line that's going to go down and then up. Same thing here, another line will just go down, and then we're going to come up. Next, we'll just make a little line that comes in. Then we'll draw a little line that goes up and down, and one that's going to come up to here. Same thing here, a little line that goes up and down, and then one that's just going to come right up to here. And there you go, there is your drawing of the Pokemon Zubat. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.